What up, Asylum? Let's see if we get some motherfuckers in here before I start this shit, because it's badass. It's almost, I guess it, and I ain't even looked at it yet, so it is quite possibly as epic as my Sideshow Deadpool that I think was my first motherfucking video, unboxing video up in here. Y'all need to fucking hurry or I'm just going at it, cause fuck, dude, I'm chomping at the bit for this shit. I ordered it last fucking year, and it showed up today. Anybody? No, fuck it then. Alright, that fucking light though. Let's see if we can fucking do some shit. Bust some shit. Maybe. Is that, yeah, fuck it. Alright. What up? Y'all know what that is, right? Look at this motherfucker. Look at it. Oh, shit. God, oh, shit. They fucking tease you. I remember this shit with Deadpool and a fucking insert like that too. There will be no tossing of this shit, by the way. I'm sorry, I hate to disappoint you, but I ain't fucking tossing a goddamn bit of this. God damn. Using carbonite. Fucking gel pack. Oh shit. His fucking foot fell off right out the box. Put the fuck back on there. God damn. This motherfucker. I think I just fucking jizzed in myself, man. This motherfucker. Oh my god. The fucking detail is goddamn amazing, man. The fucking vest. I mean, look at this shit. All fucking stitched on there. Look at the fucking belt buckle. Fucking spikes on the boots and shit hurt. God damn. It's got these fucking plastic on these elbow pads I'll have to get off. I guess I gotta take the elbow pads off to get it off. Probably have some hands to switch out and we'll do it then. God damn, look at this motherfucker. I mean, video doesn't do it justice. How fucking badass this is. Here's a little holster. Apparently there's gonna be a gun to go in there. Fuck. I already like it better than the fucking Deadpool. God damn, ain't nobody on here yet. Alright, first, here's this hook. It's a little long for some reason. I don't know why the fuck they made it. It's usually supposed to be about that goddamn short, maybe. Bigger around, but... Goddamn, it's even got leather wrapped shit on it. Here's the chain that you attach to the hook and eventually wrap around his arm. Did they make it? Yep, they made it easy to just fucking put on. Alright. Got his gun. It's badass. Oh shit, look. That even fucking spins. It's so fucking awesome. Fucking goes right in the holster. Bam. Alright, here we go. This is the hand I will be displaying it with. Because Lobo's always got his stogie. And then we got the gun holding hand. I'm assuming this is the hook holding hand. And another gun holding hand for the other side. This motherfucker is dope. The fuck? Here's a menu. A menu for Al's Diner. Of course, the classic Sideshow dick holster stand. Alright, let's switch some fucking hands out. Oh, nice. Actually, I pulled one of his wrist guards off. They're fucking leather-ish. Alright, put that back on. Put that back on. And which this is a fucking mess. That's this motherfucker on. Alright, I'll put this hand in, and I'm gonna have this side. I just now noticed the parental advisory button. Little foot button. I'm gonna put the hook in this hand. Fucking cigar in this hand. Check that shit out. Oh, there's some fucking comments popping up now. What up? Yeah, that was fast. Yes, they're actually jeans, like jean material, cloth jeans. Jeremy Robbins, this is a Sideshow Lobo. Look at that cigar hand, dude, it's so fucking perfect. Fucking light, man. I need to change that goddamn lighting scenario. Alright, let's try to get this hook. See, the thing about the hook is you're supposed to wrap it around his arm, man. But I don't know. I guess I can try. And then bring it around the other side. This motherfucker. Here. Let me put it through there first. I'm trying to be delicate with this motherfucker because it's highly expensive. There we go. Bam. Alright, get it wrapped around. The hand is supposed to be... I wish the cigar hand could have been the other way, but you know. It's badass. It doesn't matter. Again, I'll show you the... Just look at the fucking detail. It's ridiculous. Used leather and jean and metal. All the buttons and everything are metal. The cylinder on the gun that spins is metal. The only thing I'm kind of pissed about, it didn't come with dog, man. You know? So that kind of sucks. But man, I couldn't be happier. This is now my fucking grail piece, man. Look at this motherfucker. Put them up on this stand. Stands nicely. Let me grab Deadpool, man. We'll fucking do a side by side. How about that? Check out this Deadpool. Y'all see that shit? I won't bust out all his other heads and shit, but man, all the swords, everything. Fucking metal. Fucking 45s with Deadpool grips and shit. He's fucking sick. Alright. The fucking dream team. Now all I need is a goddamn Punisher. Oh my god, this shit. Fuck, let me flip this around. Look at this shit. God damn. I mean, fuck, dude. It's fucking amazing, right? Oh shit, I'm gonna knock a motherfucker over. God, look at that motherfucker. That's Deadpool. Only thing about him is, man, they're so fucking expensive. I'm scared to fucking pose them. You know what I mean? I mean, I'm very, very limited posing. I mean, if you're rich or whatever, fucking pose the shit out of them, but I fucking pose them once like these motherfuckers are posed. I don't ever swap the heads or hands out, but the first time. I mean, I might eventually. But, fuck that. These are definite keep out of the hands of children and friends and family. Don't fucking touch them. Nobody. Don't fucking touch them. That's just my opinion. I mean, some of y'all might have it like that. But yeah, that was the fucking the epic Lobo Sideshow unboxing. Fuck, dude. Fuck.